Are you ready? Let's go!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Oil Field Workout Guy Joe channel. Let me first apologize, I have not been around. We've been taking some time to myself. To be quite honest, I think the channel, the direction of the channel, I was hoping for better results after all this time. Subscriptions are growing every day, but the viewership is just not there. So, you know, I had to take time out and rethink what I'm doing with the channel. In addition to that, let me just share with you, I have a heart monitor on right now. It has nothing to do with the Bowflex. Let me just put that right out front. So I managed to throw myself into a fibrillation. That's where the top part of the heart is getting all kinds of crazy electro signals, going crazy, don't know which way to go. Instead of coming through the first top valve or top portion of the section of the four where it's supposed to start, my heart decided to say, well, let's be confused for a while. So when you go into AFib, it feels like it's hard to catch your breath. You get all kinds of dizzy spells and stuff like that. So I had to take time out, go see my doctor, go see a cardiologist. Unfortunately with AFib, once you have it, it doesn't go away. It belongs to you for the rest of your life. The positive part about it is manageable. It's not like having a heart attack. The scariest part about AFib is you can develop a stroke. So therefore, you have to take blood thinners. So when that blood is trapped up in the top portion of your heart, the blood thinning prevents it from being able to clot up. So once it does regain its signal and start pushing the blood back out, I don't get a blood clot to go to my brain and put me into a stroke. So I just wanted to share that with you. So if you're experiencing any kind of lightheadedness, dizziness, shortness of breath, but you don't think it's a heart attack, go get yourself checked out. I'm not saying what you are experiencing is AFib. Just let you know what I had and just giving you the heads up. So doctor told me to live like I've been living. So yesterday, got together with the gang, cranked up the CR250, and we had a nice 2-hour ride on a 40-mile loop of a trail that was quite interesting, and the guys I was with can really ride. So that was a good 2-hour workout. Can't wait to my doctor sees that on the heart monitor. And then today I'm gonna do a 15-minute spin on the Bowflex with you guys. And let's give the doctor another good thing to monitor because I don't plan on taking it easy. So 15 minutes on the Bowflex. Hope you enjoy the workout. I'll try to get back to you more often. Sorry for the delay, but I just had to take a mental break and also go get myself checked out. So, all right, enjoy the workout and we'll see you on the next one.
3, 2, 1, here we go. Nice little easy 15-minute workout. We're gonna make it really good. Have fun.